This is a monthly reading for the Sun sign Capricorn for the month of January. In this reading, I will be taking out 5 cards. The first card will be, or the energy will be, for what is the area of improvement for Capricorn. Then is the card for what is the strength that Capricorn can use and will help Capricorn in the month of January. Then we have what is the social interactions Capricorns will have. How will be their social interactions and dealings with people other than family? The fourth card will and energy is about what is it that is unexpected and a Capricorn not know. And then is the card of how is overall the month of January looking for Capricorn. Now basis these cards, if there is some chakra that we think needs balancing, I will do a Reiki healing for that chakra. Also, please note that this is a general reading and not everything will apply in entirety to all the Capricorns. And whatever may apply will vary in the intensity. So let us see what the cards are. What is the area of improvement for Capricorn in the month of January? What is the strength that Capricorn can use? How will be the social interactions for Capricorn? This is what is going to happen unexpectedly, and this is the overall guidance for the month of January, or how the month will be. So area of improvement or focus is really Capricorn. Somewhere it's saying that you may want to travel for your work. You may need to promote the business that you're doing, and your career needs to take the center stage. It's also telling me some of you may be frustrated that why your career is not taking off. So a lot of you who have very global ambitions for your work, it's saying that this is your area of improvement. Some of you may not have realized the opportunity available within your locality or within the easiest accessible locations to you, rather than travel and then reach out. Also, when this comes in area of focus, it's saying that some of you may expect an unexpected delay in your travel plans. So first of all, it's saying that be ready with your career to showcase it. And even though some travel plans may take time, you may just want to reach out and showcase your talents within your community or your geography before expanding. So this is the area of focus for Capricorn. People who are in love and are looking at love to materialize to next level, it's just saying that be patient, it's going to take a bit of time. If some of you would have planned a romantic getaway, it's just saying that it may just take a bit of time. Some other things are going to call for your attention. Now, what is your strength, Capricorn? So to me, it's looking like Capricorn, you're very determined. And even though sometimes you may not believe in the project or believe in something that needs to be done, you will still go ahead and do it. You will still go ahead and finish it. And you will keep your emotions aside. So this is your strength. That despite an absolute lack of faith in something, you will still do it because it needs to be done and completed. So you are not going to halt something or a project or a relationship just because, or your responsibilities, just because you are not convinced. You'll do it for the greater good, despite your own lack of conviction. It's quite possible that some of you who have a delayed travel plan in love or how things should proceed is just saying that your partners may just feel a bit emotionally rife, or even some of you Capricorns may feel very emotionally charged up because certain plans didn't go through. But then it's your strength. You will take it in your stride and continue what needs to be done. Now, how will be your social interactions? Capricorn, first of all, your social interactions are going to be very, very rewarding in January. It's telling me whatever you've been asking for, whatever you may want by dealing with people, it's all going to happen. And the good part is, you are the one who's going to make it happen. You have that ability with you. People who are looking at creating something new or starting or expanding their business by dealing with people, to me, it's saying that it's all good. It's all going to go very well. Every right person that you meet, every right opportunity that comes your way is going to totally work out in your favor. And when I see this energy, it's also telling me because Capricorn is so determined to do what he's supposed to do, he or she is supposed to do. They will not stop the journey just because of their lack of faith in something. They'll do it for the greater good. No wonder that people will be so supportive, your social interactions will be so successful. So, a very great month of January coming up for you, Capricorn. Immense success waiting for you in your dealings. People who are looking for a job promotion or some kind of a job related request, it's telling me it's going to go through. The reason for that is you will convince just about anybody who needs to be convinced, and you will get what you're looking for. Now, what is it that is unexpected and will happen? So, unexpectedly, I am seeing good amount of money coming your way. But it's also telling me there is good amount of money which is going to be spent. So it's looking like both the doors are open from where the money is coming in and the door where money is going out. So Capricorn, you may just want to put a bit of a stopper or something so that you are able to hold on to the money that you are making and good profits that you will make. So unexpectedly there is a good news coming, there is a good opportunity coming There is a good bonus coming if some of you are expecting a bonus, and business wise if you expect some riches, it's looking like it's coming your way. The only caution is while all of that is coming, there is another door open where everything is also going out. So if you are a spendthrift Capricorn, you like to spend, it's just saying that you may just want to use a bit of caution in your spending. You don't want to spend the entire amount or entire gain that comes to you totally. It's also saying that as a caution, some of you Capricorns may just, if you're not if you're not aware about an opportunity working out for you, it's quite possible that you may not even realize it. And you may not grab it. So while your social interactions are so successful where you're taking every opportunity and making it work for you, it's saying that you should pay double the attention to unexpectedly the opportunities coming to you and making the best out of it. People who are in relationships or who are dating in love, it's telling me that you should expect a unscheduled expense coming your way. You may just have to spend unexpectedly in the month of January. Now, what is the overall guidance for the month of January? A very good energy. It's just saying that things are going to fall in place. Everything is just going to work out just fine, despite some lows, highs, unexpected lows and highs, determination. It's saying with all this happening, the good part is luck is on your side. Things are just going to fall in place and going to work out totally fine for you. I'm also seeing a financial gain coming your way, Capricorn. Also, some of you who are related to some kind of an education or a training or a consultant role, it's telling me you will do very fine. It's almost like someone will give you a medal. So this is how it's looking for you, Capricorn, in the month of January 2016. So I am seeing very good cards here. And only thing that tells me is that you need to have a bit of control and caution in your spending and grasping the opportunity and having to deal with certain delays. So what we are going to do is I'm going to take out the 7 cards for the 7 chakras in our body. The first card is the root chakra. Then we have the scalar chakra. Then the third chakra is the solar plexus. Then is the fourth chakra, which is the heart chakra. Then we have the throat chakra, which is for the communication. Then there is third eye, which is for the intuition and taking messages from the universe. And then we have the crown chakra, which is about connecting to the spirituality. So when I look at your cards, Capricorn, I am seeing that you will first need to make peace with some plans not going the way you're expecting them to go, a bit of a delay, and then just you should have a bit of control on how you will take an opportunity and really make merry with the opportunity. So what we are going to do is I'm going to charge the solar plexus, the chakra for the willpower and faith in your own self. So somewhere we want Capricorn to know that even though there may be some delays or there may be some plans which will not work out, with the center energy which came for the month of January, which told us that things are going to fall in place. We want Capricorn to have faith that whatever delays may happen or things will take time, it's all going to work out in their favor. And they're capable of dealing with that. So that is why I'm going to charge the solar plexus, which is the chakra for having faith in yourself and believing in your dreams and manifesting them. And also solar plexus is the chakra which will charge all other chakras as well. So I will be doing a Reiki healing for the solar plexus. Also, whatever the card comes out, if we want to magnify the energy and balance that energy, I will take out additional card from the deck. So we have root chakra, or we don't turn around other cards, only I will be turning around is the solar plexus. This is scalar, this is solar plexus. Then we have the heart, throat, third eye and the crown chakra. So if you see in the solar plexus, I have a king who has created lot of success with lot of understanding and sensitivity. This is a very good card. This is also an energy of finding ultimate success by understanding people and dealing with people. So this king does not take any emotion for granted, and they are very sure of making things work by dealing with people, and therefore the crowning, the throne and the trophy they are holding in their hand. So this is the one of the best cards to have in solar plexus, and I am going to charge this card and balance the energy with all other chakras.